Hello, and welcome to the installation video for the ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera, the smart doorbell camera that sees what others can't. Please be advised that this video is merely an overview, and the full installation guide is provided on the ecobee app. First, let's check if your home is compatible. If your home has an existing wired doorbell hookup with 16 to 24 volts and a high-speed internet connection, we can begin. The entire installation will take about 45 minutes. You'll need needle nose pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill, and drill bits. You may also need a pencil, a flathead screwdriver, a wire cutter, a stepladder, a level, and safety glasses. To start the installation, open or download the ecobee app. Create an account. Add your new device to your home and follow the steps in the mobile installation guide. If at any time you need additional support, contact our customer service line. Ring your doorbell. To locate your chime box. Once located, turn off the power using the circuit breaker for the doorbell or the main power breaker. This is the chime adapter. You'll need it to connect your new doorbell to your existing chime box. Remove your chime box cover. Loosen the terminal screw labeled trans. Disconnect the wire using a Phillips head screwdriver. Connect the chime adapter's black wire to the trans wire by aligning the tips of the wire and screwing on the wire connector. Loosen the terminal screw labeled front and disconnect the wire. Connect the chime adapter's red wire with the front wire by aligning the tips of the wires and screwing on the wire connector. Connect the U wires to the trans and front terminals. Tighten the terminal screws. Use the adhesive on the back of the chime adapter to secure it either inside or outside the box, and put the cover back on. Now, let's install the ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera. Using a screwdriver, remove your old doorbell. Loosen the screws on the back of the doorbell and disconnect the wires. Fold the wires at a 90-degree angle so you don't lose them. Next, find the wedge. It's optional, but worth taking note of. Adjust your doorbell's field of view by flipping the wedge in either direction. Align the wedge by pulling the wires through the bottom hole. Make sure the smooth side is facing the wall. Using the wedge's wide slots as a guide, mark a spot in the center of each slot. Time to drill the holes. Align the wedge, then gently pull the wires through the bottom hole. Attach it using the wide slots with the long screws provided. Guide the wires through the back plate. Attach the back plate to the wedge with the short screws. Bend the ends of the wires into a hook shape. Loosen the 2 terminal screws on the back of the doorbell. Slide the hooked wire under the terminal with the hook pointing down. Tighten the terminal screw and repeat with the second wire. Hang the doorbell on the back plate, guiding the wires back into the wall. Using the included Allen key, tighten the security screw. Almost done, just a few final steps. Find the circuit breaker for the doorbell and turn it back on. Check that the light loop on the front of the doorbell is green. This may take a minute. Ring the doorbell to test the sound. Now, set up your doorbell in your ecobee app. Congratulations! You've installed your new ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera. Be sure to check out other ecobee smart devices for even more home connectivity.